Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the one-stop shop for all the latest and greatest in the world of technology, Future Tech Vids. We're thrilled to bring you the most cutting-edge gadgets, innovative software, and game-changing advancements in the tech industry. Here are 10 smart home gadgets worth buying that you do not want to miss a second of this. Couch coaster. In our modern world, we often assume that smart home gadgets need to be high-tech and complex. But let me tell you, folks, sometimes the simplest solutions can make a world of difference. Take a moment to think about your couch, that cozy haven where you spend countless hours watching TV and unwinding. After a long day, there's one pesky problem that many couches share. They lack a designated spot for your drink. Now, fear not, my friends, because I have just the solution for you. Introducing the Couch Coaster. This ingenious gadget is about to revolutionize your relaxation game, no matter if it's a couch, sofa, or any other seat in your humble abode. The Couch Coaster will come to your rescue, and trust me, it's as simple as it can be. With a Couch Coaster by your side, you can truly kick back, relax, and enjoy your favorite beverage without a care in the world. It's the ultimate drink holder solution that combines simplicity and functionality in one brilliant package. Who would have thought that such a small and unassuming gadget could make such a big impact? Nuki Smart Lock 3.0. The Nuki Smart Lock is an electric lock that can be installed on any door you desire. Say goodbye to your fumbling for keys or struggling to twist a stubborn lock. With this revolutionary device, your smartphone or smartwatch becomes the key to unlocking your door effortlessly. As you approach, the Nuki Smart Lock detects your presence and automatically unlocks the door for you. It's like magic, my friends. But hold on, there's more. If you prefer an added layer of security, the Nuki Smart Lock allows you to customize its settings. You can set it to unlock only when you tap a button on your smartphone app, ensuring that you have complete control over who enters your home. Imagine the convenience and peace of mind this brings. No more juggling bags of groceries while searching for your keys. With the Nuki Smart Lock, your door becomes an intuitive and secure entryway responding to your presence and commands. E-board table. No more tangling cords or limited mobility. Simply place your device on the table and let the magic happen. But here's the real kicker. Where does this table get its power from? Lights, my friend, lights. Now, don't worry, we're not talking about sunlight alone. The e-board table is ingeniously designed to harness energy from any normal light source in the room. It's like having your very own clean energy generator right at your fingertips. Just imagine the convenience of never having to worry about charging your devices again. So whether it's the gentle glow of a lamp or the vibrant illumination from overhead lights, this table harnesses that energy and puts it to good use. Charging your devices and keeping you connected, it's a win-win situation, my friends. Kohler Connect. With Kohler Connect, you gain electric access to heating, pressure control, and every little detail you can possibly imagine. It's like having your own personal spa right at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. Kohler Connect doesn't stop at the shower. It encompasses your entire bathroom experience. Imagine stepping into a smart bathtub where the water temperature and jets are perfectly adjusted to your liking. Picture a smart toilet that knows exactly what you need, offering features and functionalities you never thought possible. And let's not forget about the smart bathroom mirror and sink effortlessly integrated into the Kohler Connect system. The best part? It all comes together in one simple smartphone app. With a few taps on your screen, you can connect and control every aspect of your bathroom oasis. Adjust the temperature, fine-tune the pressure, and customize each individual jet to create your perfect shower experience. Roka Smart Shower. Roka Smart Shower is a sleek and innovative device that seamlessly connects to your shower wall, but wait, it gets even better. This smart marvel boasts a massive touchscreen that puts you in the driver's seat of your shower experience. With just a simple tap, you gain complete control over every aspect, temperature, pressure, and even jet control. It's like having your own personal spa right in your bathroom. But hold on, my friends, because we're just getting started. If you're the type who loves taking it to the next level, Roka has you covered. By downloading its complimentary smartphone app, you can take control of your shower experience without even stepping foot inside the bathroom. Imagine this, you're in the comfort of your own room. Imagine this, you're in the comfort of your own room, and with a few taps on your phone, your shower is prepped and ready to go. Talk about convenience and luxury intertwined. Cell Garden. Picture this, a compact little garden that you can place anywhere in your house. Introducing the Cell Garden. It's like having a gardening drawer right at your fingertips. This innovative creation is the brainchild of a remarkable company that recognizes the need for space-saving gardening solutions. Here's how it works. The Cell Garden features 3 different levels, each serving a unique purpose. At the bottom, you have a dedicated area to soak and germinate your seeds. It's like giving those little guys a jump start in life. As they begin to sprout, you move them up to the next level where they can continue to grow and flourish. Now here's the best part. The Cell Garden provides temperature and moisture-controlled environment, ensuring that your plants receive the optimal conditions for growth. It's like having your own personal gardening assistant. You can be as hands-on as you want to be, nurturing your plants every step of the way. iVac Home. When you clean your house, do you often find yourself frustrated with the limitations of traditional cleaning tools? Dustpans and other devices can be quite the hassle to use, leaving behind remnants of dirt and debris. And let's face it, not everyone has the luxury of time to dedicate to vacuuming their entire house or setting up a robot vacuum for a few tiny specks of dirt. That's where the iVac touchless stationary vacuum comes in, my friends. This remarkable gadget is the ultimate solution for anyone craving a cleaner, more efficient home. Here's how it works. This vacuum stays in one designated spot in your house, ready to spring into action. All you need to do is sweep the dirt in front of it, and like magic, it automatically sucks it all in. Say goodbye to the days of creating a massive mess outside your house or resorting to hiding dirt under your rugs. The iVac is here to take care of every single speck, ensuring that your floors are pristine and your home is as clean as it can be. Halo Falls. Halo Falls is no ordinary gadget, my friends. It is a true masterpiece, combining elements from various devices to create an all-in-one solution for every mood and occasion. Get ready to immerse yourself in its remarkable features. Let's talk about its stunning waterfall. This captivating centerpiece not only adds a touch of elegance to your space, but also has a calming effect. It's as if nature itself has found its way into your home, soothing your senses and transporting you to the place of tranquility. Zera. Just imagine the satisfaction of harvesting fresh homegrown produce that was nurtured by the very waste you once discarded. It's a cycle of sustainability that benefits both you and the environment. But here's the best part. Even if you decide not to use the compost, fear not, Zera ensures that its disposal is harmless and won't create a mess or harm our precious planet, even in the slightest. With Zera, we can say goodbye to the days of mindlessly filling landfills and harming our environment. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You get to reduce waste, create valuable compost, and contribute to a healthier planet. Now that's what I call a game changer. Ring Flying Cam. Introducing the silent drone, a marvel of innovation that takes home security to new heights. Literally, this remarkable device will soar through the air, traversing every nook and cranny of your house in search of potential intrusions or threats. Can you believe it? A flying sentry keeping watch over your domain. Here's the best part. Even when you're away from home, you maintain complete control through remote access. You can maneuver the silent drone, directing it to any area you desire, and rest assured it will always return to its platform when its mission is complete. But let's not limit this ingenious creation to security alone. During your daily routine, you can customize a specific flight path for the silent drone. Imagine the convenience of having a designated patrol route, ensuring comprehensive coverage and peace of mind. We appreciate you choosing to join us here on Future Tech Vids. Remember to show your appreciation by giving us a thumbs up, sharing our content with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Be sure to tap that notification bell to remain informed about our latest updates. We can't wait to catch up with you on our next video.